everyone has different needs. Therefore, the way they treat money is not always the same. Even so, you will definitely agree that the number of requests is increasing. For example, when you are still in school, all you need is pocket money, money for a data package, and transportation. Now you also have to think about savings, emergency funds, car funds, etc. The cost complexity is often very large. In some cases, people's income remains in their accounts. These reasons require you to understand how to manage your finances so you don't waste money. This way, you will worry less about the financial impact in the future. Here are 10 tips for managing your finances effectively to save money.
Number 1.
Set clear financial goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. This could be saving for a vacation, emergency fund, or retirement.
Number 2.
Create and stick to a budget. Track your income and expenses, and allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to help you stay organized.
Number 3.
Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify and eliminate non-essential expenses, such as frequent eating out, impulse purchases, or unused subscriptions.
Number 4.
Prioritize debt payoff. Focus on paying off high-interest debt, such as credit cards or personal loans, to save on interest costs.
Number 5.
Build an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in the event of an unexpected event, such as a medical emergency or job loss.
Number 6.
Automate savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. This ensures consistent savings without the need for constant manual input.
Number 7.
Avoid impulsive buying. Before making a purchase, especially a large purchase, take time to think about whether the purchase is a necessary expense or just a whim.
Number 8.
Shop smart and look for discounts. Compare prices, use coupons, and take advantage of cashback offers or loyalty programs when making purchases.
Number 9.
Invest wisely. Learn about various investment options, diversify your portfolio, and consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized advice.
Number 10.
Review and adjust your financial plan regularly. Circumstances change, and so do your financial plans. Review your budget, investments, and goals regularly to ensure they align with your current situation. Remember, these tips are general suggestions. It is important to adapt your financial management strategy based on your individual circumstances and goals. Consistency, discipline, and patience are the keys to managing finances effectively.